With general elections just a few months away, there's hardly a day to waste for the Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party. Today they held their first national executive meeting to plan strategy, at the end of which it became clear Kejriwal doesn't intend to contest himself, not this time around.
आम आदमी पार्टी लोकसभा चुनाव लड़ेगी, ज्यादातर राज्यों में लड़ेगी, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सीटों पर लड़ेगी.
Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party all set to go national. But Kejriwal himself will remain committed to Delhi. He will not be party's prime ministerial candidate and will not contest the Lok Sabha elections.
नहीं, मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ रहा और योगेंद्र आदित्य जी का मेरे प्रति प्रेम है कि वो ऐसा कह रहे हैं.
Kejriwal's decision not to project himself as the prime ministerial candidate would be welcome news for the Congress and the BJP. Still stunned at the remarkable performance of the one-year-old party in Delhi, where they have now come to power. Today's decision came at the Aam Aadmi Party's first national executive meet to chalk out party's blueprint for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The final list of candidates will come out by February 15th.
There'll actually be, there is a four-way process. This is exactly what we worked on. There will be private bodies and independent agencies actually looking at the candidature.
Amongst the big faces the party plans to field are Mayank Gandhi from Maharashtra, Sanjay Singh from Uttar Pradesh, while senior leader Yogendra Yadav is likely to be its chief ministerial candidate in the assembly elections in Haryana later this year. Aam Aadmi Party leader Kumar Vishwas has already declared that he will contest against Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi in Amethi. More recently, top banker Meera Sanyal, Captain Gopinath, who created Air Deccan, and Infosys board member V. Balakrishnan also joined the Aam Aadmi Party movement.
जो गांव से रिपोर्ट आ रही हैं वो ये दिखा रही हैं कि गांव में भी उतना ही उत्साह है जितना शहरों में है. कहीं-कहीं गांव में ज्यादा उत्साह है.
Riding on the back of their stunning debut in Delhi and by their own assessment of the national mood, the Aam Aadmi Party has decided to take the national plunge and fight Lok Sabha elections from maximum states. Will there be a spoiler for Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi will be known only in May. But in the run-up, giving the Aam Aadmi Party a major boost are the not-so-arm, high-profile individuals joining their ranks. In New Delhi with camera person Manjunath, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.